What's going on YouTube? This is JabberTech. You got yourself the awesome Pixel 4 XL and you want to protect it. You want to keep it looking clean and fresh for the long term. The guys at Rhinoshield have you covered with this Solidsuit case. It'll run you about $30, but check my video link description down below. This case is awesome. It's really stylish with this carbon fiber look. Gives you a lot of protection, but enough talk. Let's unbox it and check it out on the Google Pixel. Looking at the packaging together, it's a really nice package. I definitely like the way this looks. You see the case, you see all about it. It's their Solidsuit, the super tough protective case. That's got your back. That's because it's certified for 11 feet drop protection thanks to that military standard 810G certification. That means military grade in case you didn't know. On the back of the box, you see you get a little premium finish, durable material, raised lips for the front. Snug fit is important. That just means you put in your phone into this case and it's not going to fall out. That would really just defeat the purpose if you ask me. 3mm thin, that's super thin, and it's food grade, BPA, BPS free. So if your little ones go ahead and think it's an apple and take a bite out of it, it's not going to hurt them. Shock spread technology means it absorbs all that shock if you drop it from 11 feet high. And that honeycomb structure is something that I always loved about Rhinoshield cases. But let's just go ahead and unbox this and check it out together. Let's see what we get inside, if there's anything else. It says flip over right down there, so maybe we get something in here. But we don't. It just tells you how to install it, and that's basically it. So we can put that aside just like that. And let's just take a look at this case before we put it on the phone. The carbon fiber feel is awesome, so no matter which color Pixel 4 you have, it's going to look really nice. If you have that peachy orange, if you have the black, or of course if you have the white, it's going to look really, really nice. Here's a little lanyard slot, so if you do want to connect a lanyard cable, you can do so. On the inside, this is their honeycomb material that's really going to help with that shock absorption, and that's in the inside of the case too. Just take a look, it goes all around the entire case there. Really an awesome design if you ask me. On the other side, you have a little company logo right over there, and these are your buttons. So enough talk, let's go ahead and install this case. Taking a look at the front of the case, this is your bird's eye view of the Solidsuit case, and it's a really form-fitting, thin style case, but again, with that 11-foot certified drop protection, you're really going to be well protected if you happen to drop this along your travels. The buttons feel really nice, very responsive. They are not hard to press whatsoever, so well done for those buttons. Cutout on the top is perfect. Cutout on the bottom, oversized for your third-party accessories. And of course, it's flush on the left side. Taking a look at the back, your camera protection, definitely on point. This camera is well protected. And again, just take a look at this carbon fiber feel. You can barely see a little white ring around the camera. I actually like that. It adds a little bit of an accent color if you ask me. So this is a carbon fiber. Next, let's take a look at the black one. And you do have a little bit of a protection here, just to make sure it doesn't get scratched before you put your phone in. And it's a nice matte feel. I really like the feel of this black one. It's definitely a little different than the carbon fiber. If you can take a look at it. Different design, a lot smoother in the hand. Really nice. Again, the honeycomb material on the inside gives you that peace of mind that you're covered and well protected. This is what the black one looks like, and I can tell you, even though it's a soft, smooth finish, it really doesn't feel slippery in the hand. You get a nice grip on this case, so I think they did a nice job giving us two different options here. If you want that carbon fiber look, you can switch for that, or if you want the matte black, you can get this one as well. Fingerprints don't seem to be attracting on this case, so well done for the anti-fingerprintness. Cutouts are all perfect. Everything is absolutely the same. Everything is absolutely perfect. So no matter which one you choose, I think you're going to be really happy. These are the Solidsuit cases from Rhinoshield. So this is the matte black. Or if you want the carbon fiber look, this is the one to get. But either one is going to protect you, going to keep your phone looking fresh and clean for however long you have it. And that's the main thing. You want to keep your phone protected. And at 11 feet drop protection, this is really awesome in a slim-ish style case. Really a form-fitting case if you ask me. It doesn't add much bulk at all. But I always like to know your opinion. Which one do you think looks a little better, carbon fiber or the matte black? I always appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video.